Today, I'm going to show you how to open a box of pasta, and that's all that happens in this episode. It's going to be a 10-minute episode. We're really going to draw it out. Hey guys, I'm Megan Mitchell, and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a one-pot pasta featuring banza, which is a chickpea pasta, and it's gluten-free, and literally the sauce, the pasta cooks, everything in one pot. But before I get started, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're wondering what Thrive Market is, it's an online market that sells non-GMO and organic products and banza straight to your door. Okay, so clearly nothing else is around me. I don't have a heating surface, so we're gonna go over to the stove to cook this dish up. Come on. I have a 12-inch Dutch oven up to heat, or you can use a nonstick skillet, but it needs to have a tight-fitting lid because I'm gonna put the lid on so the pasta cooks. I have it up to heat on medium. I'm gonna drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil. And this pasta has mushrooms and peas and spinach, and it's creamy. It's very comforting. All right, add in 1 pound of thinly sliced cremini mushrooms. I love mushrooms. They add a nice earthiness, meatiness to a not meat dish. Spread them out in an even layer, and then don't touch them for a couple minutes so they form a nice crust on the bottom. That's my thing with mushrooms. You stir them and you stir them, you stir them, and they look gray and they get kind of rubbery. So let them form a nice crust, use high heat, and then season them at the end. Like stir, spread into an even layer, and then don't touch for like 5-6 minutes. Give it another stir, let it get a nice crust. This should cook for 8 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown. So my mushrooms are nice and golden brown. Now I'm going to salt and pepper them. You want to liberally season these because this salt and pepper is going to season the entire pasta dish. And freshly cracked black pepper. Okay. I turned my heat to low. I had it on medium, medium-high to cook my mushrooms. I just turned it to low. Ooh, that pepper just hit the heat. Hit the pan. All right, I'm gonna grate in 2 garlic cloves. You can finely mince them if you don't have a zester or a grater, but this is just, it melts into the sauce when you do it this way. Be careful. Don't burn yourself and don't grate your finger. All right, I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped sage. Okay, just cook this for a minute or 2 until you can smell that garlic. It smells so good. And then I'm going to melt in 8 ounces of room temperature mascarpone cheese. This way, at room temp, it just melts within 30 seconds. This is my creamy part of the dish. Mascarpone is tangy. You could use creme fraiche. You could use heavy cream, but that's obviously a lot thinner. Mascarpone is thicker. I just like cooking with it. Adds that tang, that creaminess. So just melt it through the mushrooms. My mouth is watering. Looks perfectione. Right, to this, I'm going to add half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit more black pepper because I want to see that. I like my dishes heavily. I like my dishes heavily peppered. And I'm adding 2 cups of water. This is what cooks the pasta. So you need to have enough liquid in here that the pasta cooks. And I'm using 1 box of banza penne pasta. It's 8 ounces. So you have to just be careful. A lot of pastas are 1 pound, but this box is only 8 ounces, and that's all I needed. Add that in. And stir this up because you want to make sure it's fully coated and covered in the sauce. No boiling pasta water. No nothing. You don't have to worry about it. Alrighty. So everything's coated, covered, mixed. Kind of spread it into an even layer. Cover with the lid and keep it on a gentle simmer for 7 minutes. I'm going to set my timer. Okay, this is cooked 7 minutes with the lid on. It'll still look pretty loose and watery, but once we stir it, it'll get nice and thick. So give it a stir. Ooh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. Okay, we're gonna turn up the heat. My mouth is seriously watering. To about medium low, like right between medium and low, right there. Did my eyes just cross? And I'm gonna add the zest of 1 lemon as well as the juice. It just brightens it up. I love adding citrus to my pasta. If this seems weird to you, get on board. I have a creamy lemon pasta for 2. I made sure it feeds just 2 people, and it's so good. I love the lemon and the cream. Okay, I'm gonna cut this real quick. Gotta work kind of quickly. You don't want your pasta to overcook at this point because it's almost there. It's not fully cooked, but it's close. And then I'm also adding 5 ounces of baby spinach, and this will just wilt in. And I have 10 ounces of frozen peas that I let defrost, so they're thawed. I just want to warm them through as well. All right, now let's just stir. And as you stir, the spinach will wilt. You want to keep stirring because the pasta can stick to the bottom of the pot, of the pan. So just stir, wilt the spinach. It'll get nice and thick and creamy. 1-pot pastas are great. You just have to kind of get the timing down. Chickpea pasta cooks a little faster than gluten pasta. Stir, stir. So this will take just a couple more minutes until the sauce is thick and creamy. The spinach is fully wilted throughout. And as this cools slightly, obviously this is bubbling. We boil in here. It'll thicken even more. Let's plate this up. I'll see you over there. My 1-pot pasta is done, so I'm gonna plate it up just so I can just show you how amazing this looks. Oh my gosh, the pasta's, it's so steamy. The pasta's cooked perfectly. The peas are heated through. The spinach is wilted. The mushrooms are caramelized, and oh my lordy lord. All right, I'm gonna just top it with some more Parmesan cheese, because why not? And there you have it, folks. My 1-pot creamy spinach and mushroom and pea pasta. Chickpea pasta. This looks so good. I'm going in. Steamy. Honestly, the pasta's cooked perfectly. It's light, it's creamy, it's cheesy. It makes me feel a little better because it's made from chickpeas, so I feel like, okay, I can eat a little more of this. It's really good, and it's 1 freaking pot, people. Can I say that one more time? It's 1 pot. I hope you make this. I hope you give it a try. You can find all the products that I use at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Happy gluten-free pasta cooking, guys. See you later. Melting some cheese into my mushrooms. I would put this over some toast. It was cool wearing a turtleneck when you're cooking over a hot stove. I'm not warm at all. Not at all. I come back like in a t-shirt. JK.